Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can find Steam game files. So once you log in to your Steam account here, you just have to go to library. On library, go to home, and in here, you'll find your games, right? So for example, here I have Counter-Strike 2 installed, right? If you want to find the local files, you just have to go on this key settings here on manage. On manage, go to manage. On manage, go to browse local files. Once you click on this, there you go. This is where the file for Counter-Strike is kept. So in common, you'll see that this is where all of your game file are kept. But sometimes if you delete a game, for example, I have Tekken 7 deleted here. So I have Tekken 7, but it's not installed, right? The thing, the folder is still here, but it's just empty, right? Let me show you another example. For example, here I have Sky Children of Light installed. I want to go to manage, and then browse local files. You'll see it's at the exact same place, which is at commons. The common path is like volume D, Steam library, Steam apps, and then common. If you don't like going to Steam and then going to your game one by one, you can just pin this section here and then find all of your games here like Idle Showdown, Just Cause 3, Portal 2, Resident Evil 4, Street Fighter 6, all of these games. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.